Example 4 says that the city of Townsville had a population of 250,000 people in the year 2000. Assume that the population grows exponentially with a relative growth rate of 1.85%. Then we are asked to find the population during several later years. So what we're going to do, P of t is going to represent the population t years since 2000. So for instance, P of 0 would be the population in 2000. P of 10 would be the population in the year 2010. Now we're told in this example that the population growth is exponential. And the formula for exponential population growth is P of t equals C e to the kt. And the variables here, C is the initial population, which in this case would mean the population in 2000. E is the constant E. K is the growth rate. And T is time. So we are told that the initial population is 250,000 and that the exponential growth rate is 1.85%. So that would look like that. Okay? So P of t is equal to 250,000 e to the 0.185 t. Or I'm sorry, let me fix that. I dropped out a 0. 0.0185 t. Okay, so now that we have this function, finding the population in any given year is simply a matter of plugging in the appropriate t. So for part A, we want to find the population in 2001. So that is 1 year since 2000, so we want P of 1, which is 250,000 times e to the 0.0185. And let me grab my trusty calculator. That gives 254,668, and then I will round to the nearest person. Okay, so we'll leave the answer like that. Okay, so now part B asks us the population in the year 2005. So here we calculate P of 5, so that's 250,000 e raised to the 0.0185 times 5, which turns out to be 0.0925. And then calculating that, we get 274,228, and then I'll round to the nearest person. Okay, a couple more. So then we need 2010 and 2020. Okay, but at this point, it's pretty much the same idea. P of 10 is 250,000. E to the 0.0185 times 10, so that's this. So that answer is going to be 300,805 when I round to the nearest person. And one last example. So in the year 2020, I want to calculate P of 20. So I'm going to get 250,000 times E raised to the 0.37. And this gives us 361,000 934. Okay.